Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time you're welcome. So in this video we're learning how to cut a 360 flay or a full flay. First of all is to fold my fabric by 4. So once I'm done folding, you can see it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once I'm done folding, I'll get my waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. Yes, I'm adding 2 inches. So once I get that, I'll divide it by 4. Then I'll mark whatever thing I got. So once I'm done marking, I'll just try to check if I have exactly my my waist measurements. So once I'm done with that, next is to get my full length. So from that line that I got, I'm just trying to check to be sure. I'll be minusing 2 inches from that point that I got, which is the band. Then I'll get my full skirt measurement. I'm using 25 as my full length. So I'll mark 25 um all the way to the end of the material. Remember I took out 2 inches at the top for the band. So once I'm done with that, next thing is to cut it out just like this. You can see the skirt is already ready. So once I'm done cutting it out, I'll open one side, just one side. I'll open it out. That will be for my zipper side. Yeah. So once I'm done opening it, you can see everything is now looking like a skirt. Yes, so I'll take this aside and cut out the band. So my band, I'll be using 2 inches for the band plus extra 1 inch, half inch for the both side for joining. Then I'll mark it, making it 5. Then I'll now cut it out. So you can see this is for my band. Remember my waist measurement is 35 plus 2 inches. That is what I got here. So next thing is to get the middle point of the band and the middle point of my skirt. So I'll just give a small notch there. Then I'll just join the band and the skirt, the place that I notched. I'll join it and I'll pin it down. Then I'll pin it all the way to the last place, and I'll go to the sewing machine and sew it, and I'll come back and show you. So here I am done joining. So next thing is to fold the band by half an inch that I added. I'll fold it in and place it on top of my material like this, and I'll sew it all the way round to the next end. So here I am done with that. You can see how neat and beautiful it is. So next thing is to add my zipper and also to close up that place that we opened with 2 inch. Remember we added half 2 inch for seam allowance. So I'll just measure my waist measurements divided by 2. My waist is 35. So I'll just divide it by 2 and mark where it is. Yeah, so I'll be putting my zipper from there. I'll be coming down by 7. Yeah, or 6 depending on how the zip you are using. Then from that 6 I'll sew it all the way down to the full length. I'll do that and I'll come back and show you. So here I'm done with the zip and also folding the back. As you can see, the skirt is now taking place and is now looking more like skirts. Yes, next is to go and iron everything down. So I'm done ironing and you can see how beautiful it's looking, how clean, and I folded the down parts. Yeah, so guys, if you haven't subscribed up to this place, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.